captain.
Hey, see captain, vice
Vice
captain.
captain. Vice captain.
Put some respect on the
captain.
boss.
Alright.
So you're captain the last game. Right. Okay. How does it feel to get a result against the powerhouse Mexico?
To be honest, I'm not satisfied. We should have won the game. But again, the guys worked hard. We got a point on the board, we're leading the zone, so that's good.
And your own performance? Your own performance, tell us about it in the back.
Good. Good so far. Good so far, but I mean, I think I have to assess again and see where I can be better. I'm never satisfied after the 90 minutes. I want to be better. I want to get better every time. But I think I was solid. I helped the guys. I drive confidence into the guys because I'm one of the senior guys at the back. But yeah, I'm happy with the point on the board. Again, we have 5 points now, so we just have to build.
The last question I'll ask you. The last time we got a positive result against Mexico, your father was on the field.
No. The last time we got a positive result against Mexico, remember, World Cup 2017.
World Cup 2017.
You want me to remind you because I'm just asked me to play against what was the Costa Rica game and Mexico I played.
Alright, so no, remind us of that. Remind us of that.
Mexico knows it's always a memory in the back of their head because it was a last minute free kick from Kemar. It was awesome, so I think over the years it kind of have a dagger still in their heart, Even when the wound heal a little bit, they always know when time we play them it's going to be a battle. We're trying to build a culture, we're trying to have a new identity, footballing team, a team with just positive vibes, show our appreciation to the fans after games and just put our all on the pitch whenever we go out there.
Thank you very much and stay injury free.
One question for me. Blake came back, he had some key saves. But do you think the team defensively could do a lot better to help them?
Yeah, definitely. But again, Mexico is a quality team. They're gonna get shots off. You see, Lennes came on the first touch inside. Finish bottom corner. But hey, we need him. He's gonna make 2 or 3 saves in a game. That's gonna make us win a game. If we keep the clean sheet to them, there's a high possibility. We get the 3 points. So Blake is a rock. He pushes us. He drives us. He compliments me a lot. He helps me to keep focus and helps me to drive confidence because he's so far away and I'm more close to the team. But yeah, he's the man, there's so much appreciation that we as a team have for him.
The fans were out, probably the biggest turnout we've had in a while. What do you have to say about that?
Something is dwelling in the air, I guess. It's positive. The fans see that we really love our country and that we're really committed to, getting somewhere and being a powerhouse and getting Congress. I feel like that taste is out of our mouth now. They want to get it, but the guys are hungry. The guys are literally drooling. But we're so close, but so far. If you look at it, like the quality of players we have, but sometimes other obstacles, other situations hinder us from performing at our best. But again, the guys, we believe in ourselves. We have some support from the fans. But yeah, we just have to go out there every single day, work hard, and more fans will come.